Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Clement. This is Travel and That's What's Up. And today we're going to cook meatloaf and we're going to make a pasta with tomatoes and goat cheese. So stay tuned.
All right, so we used a half of ground turkey. This is 3 pounds. So we used half of that. To the turkey, I added garlic, onion powder, salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, paprika, red chili flakes. Chopped up a little garlic with the garlic added. A little bit of onion. I brought out a few carrots from the middle of the week. All right, so that's about all the carrot we're gonna need. All right, so I didn't have any breadcrumbs. Well, I ran out. So I used this, cheese and garlic croutons. Crushed them up, threw them in there. I also added 1 egg. All right, so we added the carrot as well. All right, I'll also be adding 3 peppers. Now we got our peppers cut. Okay, so they're diced now. I also hit it with some ketchup, half a cup, and some Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of A1. All right, because I made so much of it, we're adding a 2nd egg. Okay, so we have our 2 loaf pans here, and we're gonna fill these. Okay, we have both pans loaded. So we're gonna add conchiglia pasta, goat cheese, honey, olive oil, tomatoes, black pepper, onion powder. All right, so I have my tomatoes cut. All right, so we've already added the salt, the black pepper, and the olive oil. Now we're just adding the rest of the honey here. All right, so we have all 3 things prepared. Well, I just added some cheddar cheese in the middle of the meatloaf, but yeah, and goat cheese in the middle of the tomatoes. So we're gonna put these in the oven. Almost dropped that. Don't wanna do that. So you're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes at about 385 degrees, and then you're gonna check it and see where it's at. All right, so our pasta's boiling. Might be time to bring out the meatloaf. All right, so everything's ready. And that's our goat cheese and tomatoes. So we're gonna take our goat cheese. I'm gonna put that in there. Then we're gonna take our cooked pasta. Gonna give it a little stir. Yeah, goat cheese and tomato pasta. So we have that. And that's it. That's what we're looking at. That's it.
So if you like what you see, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm posting and where I'm at in the world. It helps grow my channel and I appreciate it so much. Thank you.